What does it take to maintain infrastructure in the northernmost parts of the world? The Norwegian company Øveraasen develops Volvo Penta-powered snow clearing equipment for quick and reliable snow removal for roads, railways and airports. These machines and their engines have to function in order for society to keep running. So what do we do to ensure their reliability? One of the things that separates Volvo Penta from our competitors is that we supply the engine in one complete package, ready to be installed. An engine package consists of a lot of different parts. Cables, filters, exhaust flanges, a cooling package, an after-treatment system. You get the idea. Rather than dealing with several suppliers and adjusting all parts separately, Volvo Penta offers a single point of contact and an engine ready to be lifted into the machine. But our involvement doesn't end there. Knowing the importance of uptime, we provide support on call 24/7 for the rest of the engine's life cycle to ensure it runs effectively and reliably. The other thing when dealing with machines like these airport snowblowers is that they need to be able to go from a 0 to 100 in a blink of an eye, even while operating in extreme weather conditions. To achieve this, the engine needs to have plenty of power and momentum, or in other words, high torque. So the next time you're moving through the snowy parts of the world, whether it's on the ground or in the air, just think about the machines that make it all possible.